We're going to venture into things such as just some deep, abstract, linguistic, philosophical concepts that seems to be prevalent or pervasive across the board in all scientific paradigm shift. We see that paradox, and we see that ambiguity, and we see that duality emerge in the wave particle duality in light. We also see that emerge in the way in which they articulate themselves. Because the phonological features, it's almost as if through social nurturing and cultural conditioning, the phonological features of language become sort of integrated into human communication as part of the nurturing and conditioning. Because when manic becomes disinhibited, they are sort of removed from these conditionings, and they're also
and the shampoo wood coming out of it is the shampoo or toothpaste, because it's thick. It has more